What's up and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually over here working on the Yeeter. This is my K-swapped RD1. I'm sure you guys have seen it if you've been around. If you haven't, there's a whole playlist dedicated to me building this thing. Right now, I'm still trying to fix the damage from Tail of the Dragon. So I don't know if you watched my video, I'll link it up here. But when I went to Tail of the Dragon, something went wrong on the front. I thought it was the diff or the passenger axle. I swapped the passenger axle out whenever I got back to the shop, didn't fix anything. And then I thought it was the diff, so I swapped out the diff with another OEM diff. And while I was putting it back together, you see it's not quite back together. I found the problem. And it didn't have nothing to do with either one of those. It was the driver's side axle. So let's go up here and check that out. I pulled the bearings apart right here, the inner cup. So it has 3 bearings in there, okay? These 2 are good. That one's not so good. So that's 100% the problem. And yeah. So essentially I pulled the swap out again for no reason. But I mean, I guess at the same time, like, I know it's correct now. And also I went ahead and replaced the rack and pinion again while I had it out, because the rack and pinion was leaking a little bit, and I just want it to be 100% because I'm going to be selling the Yeeter. So if you're interested in it, it'll probably be posted up on my Facebook. You check me out, Philip Babb on Facebook. Initially when I got my stock RD1, by the way, here's my new RD1. This is my new RD1. You can see I've already done some stuff to it. I've lowered it with some Neomax Silver's Neomax coilovers. We've also done the RL front brakes. Boom. Got the TL Type S wheels. It's got True Heart camber kit front and rear. And then you can see it's already tinted out and all that kind of stuff. It looks really nice. I actually just refinished the front bumper today. I've got to do all the other trims, door trims, you know, the fender arches, the rear bumper, because someone has taken a torch to it. You can see even in the rain it's ashy looking. It's got a couple little spots like here and here I got to get fixed. It originally had a roof rack on it. I've already taken that off. I'm kind of going for a sleek design on this, and this one's going to be getting motor swapped too, but more about that here in a second. Super clean on the inside. I've been dailying it and it's been crummy weather, so obviously my floor mat has gotten nasty. But you may have seen the video with the EM1 cluster. That was from this one. I posted that video before, you know, I actually revealed the CRV. But anyways, that's her. But anyways, when I first got my other RD1, I had full intentions of taking the K24 out of this one, putting it in my new RD1, and then putting the B20 back in this and selling this as a complete B20 CRV manual. But I had this thing that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I decided to act upon that, which means just selling this as it is. I'll show you a little glimpse into the future on that. So see, here we have a J32A2 Type S. And then over here we have another K series all-wheel drive transmission. This is the transmission that was in the Yeeter that grenaded on me. So this one has a bad gear set currently. But got so much junk in here, man. I have a Civic Si transmission right here. It's an EP3 trans. You can see it was out of a wreck, so the bell housing is busted down there, but the gear set is perfect. So I'm gonna take the gear set out of this one and put in my all-wheel drive trans, and then I've bought the adapter plates and stuff to mount it to this engine. So this one will be a J32 K-Series all-wheel drive. And I've really, I've wanted to do this for a while. I had an EK hatch that I wanted to do it on. And then I had a green CRV a while back that I was going to do the J32 on it. but somebody bought it from me before I had a chance to. But this time, we're doing it, baby. So yeah, that's I'm selling the Yeeter like it is. I'm leaving the spoiler on it, the wheels, the lift, the engine, all that stuff. The only thing I took off of it was my WeatherTech vent visors and my double din radio. Just sucks, like, I just bought all these wheels and tires. I spent like well over $2,000 on these, and they maybe have 1,500 miles on them. And then even though I was selling it, I went ahead and I got some hood dampers for it like I have on my other one. Those are really nice. I like those a lot. Gets rid of the stupid rod that goes up here, and they open it further than the rod. And then also, additionally, I did get the floor mats like I have in the other one. Got those in here. All of them. Got the back mat. The only thing I don't like about these mats, it kind of sticks up here in the middle, but as far as the actual sides and the fronts, fit great. And I have the cargo one too. I haven't put the cargo one in my other ones on top of that hatch over there. Whatever. It's back there. I can't open the back because... Never mind. I do have the battery reconnected. I didn't think I had the battery reconnected. So. Yeah. It's a nice little mat. It does hit the tailgate just a little bit, but it fits pretty good. Pretty good. I'm happy with it. So I still got my little table. Got a video on how to do that. Top right corner. But yeah, I'm going to be selling it pretty much just like it is. It has a spoiler. I may swap out the back glass because I'd like to keep my decal and my classic Hondas on the Dragon logos here, the decals. I don't know. I got my off-road type shit. Even though that ain't really going to be applicable to my other one, but whatever. The spoiler's going to stay. You can see the chrome on it's not in the best shape. But it's an OEM spoiler, so it'll stay. Snorkel stay. Roof basket's going to stay. Light bar's going to stay. Turbo's going to stay. Wheels. The lift coilovers. The True Heart camber arms. All this stuff's going to stay. Oh, and I fixed my axle. Heck yeah, I just put a whole new inner cup on it. Well, not new, but used K-Series inner cup. And it'll be good to go. So maybe here in a couple days, whenever I have time, this will be back done together and posted for sale. So again, if you're interested in the Yeeter, make sure you check it out on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. I'll post more details on there, but it's K20. I'll just run down through a few details right now. It's K24A2 turbo, 5-speed, all-wheel drive. It makes 270 horsepower and right at 270 foot-pounds of torque. It's only on 6 pounds, which is what the wastegate. It's just wastegate. I don't have a boost controller on it, so whatever the wastegate makes is what it makes. Could definitely make more. It has 1,000cc injectors, tuned by Jason Waters. It's got Honda K-Pro V4. Whatever one has a Bluetooth. Body's a little rough, but it's a fun rig and loads of fun. And here we can see I got all the stuff from Inline Pro to do J to K. J to K, first gen. That's the adapter plate. Then I've got the flywheel adapter, starter adapter, half shaft adapter, throwout bearing, clutch, flywheel. Yeah, looking pretty good there. I still got to get mounts, subframe. Well, got me some 3.5 ball joints to go on my CRV 2. Some high-phonic speakers. These are some tweeter mounts that were sent to me that I need to put on. Got some scar tweeters to put in those. Got a bunch of stuff that I just haven't had time to do. There's the scar tweeters, but we'll get all that. The engine mounts from Hassport, subframe, engine harness. Probably gonna put it on the Haltech 750. So I gotta get that. Just all this other stuff, which I'll probably do. I'll probably go ahead and get all that once I sell the Yeeter. Use that money to invest in the other one. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna hop off here and lock the shop up and head home for the day. It's on Sunday right now. I'm just gonna up here to drop off that motor because I picked it up yesterday. And I was fixing my CV axle. So anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.